Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today is just going to be the drawing for the SheModern.com foil gift card. Here's everybody's name on the list. I have everybody included on here. Even my seven non-US entries, I'm allowed to have 3 non-US winners and the rest have to be in the United States. I will need the winners to email me their name and email address they would like the gift card sent to. It's worth $10 worth of nail foils from SheModern.com. You simply go to SheModern.com, go to the section on foil arts, select one of your favorite foils and your colors, all customized just for you. Thank you, SheModern, for providing this for us. We really appreciate it. And then you take my code. It's going to be in a red box at the bottom in your email. It looks just like a little virtual gift card. You copy that code and paste it into your shopping cart at SheModern.com. And when you apply the coupon, your shipping will even be free for that one foil gift card. So please make sure you email me your name and complete email address, including the domain. And I'll put on the screen the date and the time that I need you to email this to me by. I appreciate it so much. Good luck, everyone. I wish you all the best of luck. Winner number 1. Congratulations, winner number 1. We will remove your name from the list. Reset the wheel. You can see her name is gone off of the list. Winner number 2. Congratulations, winner number 2. Remove her name from the list. On to winner number 3. Who will it be? Congratulations, winner number 3. Number 4. Who will it be? Congratulations, winner number 4. Winner number 5. Who will it be? Congratulations, winner number 5. You can see the names are coming off of here every time. We're halfway through. Winner number 6. Congratulations, winner number 6. Name removed. Winner number 7. Who will it be? Congratulations, winner number 7. Move her name. Spin the wheel one more time. Now a few more times. Winner number 8. Congratulations. Winner number 9, who will it be? Congratulations, winner number 9. And here we go for the last 10th winner. If I've accidentally picked more than 10, congratulations, winner number 10. If I've accidentally picked more than 10, the first 10 are the winners. Please email me your name and email address so that I can copy and paste it into the SheModern.com website. I really appreciate it so very, very much if you would do that. Please contact me by Friday, December 20th, 2019. I will put all of that down below in the description and on the screen. Thank you so very much, everyone. Have a great day, everyone. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.